Hello friends, and welcome to the first Tug video of 2025. Today's video is for all you owners out there stuck in a timeshare, thinking there's no way out. As we kick off the new year, we know there are tens of thousands of you out there who have been trying to dispose of an unwanted timeshare without success. So here is our top suggestion to try to get out of your timeshare before your 2026 fees are due. Simply reach out to your resort and ask them if they'll take it back. No, this isn't a joke or a waste of your time. Just stick with me here over the next minute or so, as this solution will work for countless owners and it doesn't cost you a thing to try. We are dead serious about reaching out to your resort to ask about a voluntary surrender or deedback program. A very large number of resorts offer these official programs, and all resorts actually have unofficial ones, for the purpose of taking back timeshares that would otherwise result in unpaid maintenance fees. A good number of these programs were limited, suspended, or outright shut down in 2024 for various reasons, but now as we start the new year, and with new annual maintenance fees being paid, your first step should be to reach out and ask about giving your ownership back to the resort directly. If you own a timeshare in Blue Green, Capital Resorts, Wyndham, Diamond, Hilton, Holiday Inn, Hyatt, In Season, Marriott, Shell, Sheraton, Westin, Westgate, Worldmark, Windrifter, or Stone Ridge, each and every one of these systems advertises an official surrender or deedback program, and we'll provide a link to each one of them down below in the description for you to contact them directly today. We repeat, even if you tried to give your timeshare back in the past, try again as we begin 2025. The earlier you ask in any given year, the better chance of them accepting it back. Remember, you aren't the only owner out there in this situation, and they can't take them all back every year. If you don't own at one of the resorts listed above, you should still try to call and ask. After all, it costs you absolutely nothing to try. Your best bet is to start with the contact information usually included for questions or feedback on your annual maintenance fee statement. See what they say. While we know many of you are skeptical, this is not a waste of your time. Because again, even if you heard no before, it only takes one yes for you to be out of your timeshare. This effort, combined with offering your timeshare on Tug for free, are the two best options to rid yourself of your timeshare obligation and avoid having to pay yet another year's worth of maintenance fees for something you don't want. So if your goal is to end your timeshare ownership before next year's fees are due, start with these two options immediately. And the best part is, they cost you absolutely nothing. Be sure to check out all the links posted in the description below for more details on these official and unofficial exit programs, as well as how to offer your timeshare on Tug at absolutely no cost to you. Until next time, folks, don't fall victim to exit company scams. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.